In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to send weekly affiliate performance recaps automatically so you can save time and stay on top of your affiliate campaigns. Stick around because I'll give you the easiest way to automate this process and you won't have to manually send those reports anymore. First off, why would you even want to automate sending your weekly affiliate performance recaps? It's simple: consistency and time saving. Instead of manually tracking data and sending reports to your partners or clients, automating this process means you can focus on more important tasks while still keeping everyone updated on performance. Now let's dive into how you can set this up, and trust me, this is easier than you might think. You're going to need a solid tool for automating these emails. I've tried all the most popular software for affiliate tracking, and I've found the perfect one that handles this task seamlessly. The software we'll be using today is designed to pull in your affiliate data, summarize it, and send it out automatically each week without you lifting a finger. First, log into the software and connect your affiliate networks. This could include networks like ClickBank, Share a Sale, or even direct affiliate programs. Once your accounts are linked, the software will start pulling in performance data such as clicks, conversions, and commissions on a regular basis. Next, create a template for the weekly performance recap. You can customize the email with key data points like total sales, conversion rates, and commissions earned. Most software offers customizable email templates, so you can make sure the report looks professional and is easy to understand for your affiliates. Now here's the cool part: scheduling. Set up an automated email sequence that sends out the recap at a specific day and time every week. The software will automatically gather the data and send the recap to your chosen recipients without you needing to do anything. This makes sure your team or partners get the info on time, week after week. For those of you looking to follow along, I've linked an exclusive free trial to this software in the description below. It's only available for my viewers, so make sure you grab it and give it a try. So let's quickly recap. To send weekly affiliate performance recaps automatically, you first need to connect your affiliate networks to the software. Then, customize your email template to include the necessary data points. After that, schedule the email to be sent out every week and you're all set. Key takeaway: automating your affiliate performance reports saves you time and ensures consistency. You no longer need to manually track and send these recaps, which frees you up to focus on growing your business. And remember, if you want to get started with the software I showed you today, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.